paper planes, Novocaine, Mary Jane. Say one thing to me, you Texas toast, no Razor cane. I can't lie, life's good, man, I can't complain. Walking through the hood undoubtedly without a stain. Hopped off the porch, I'm a prodigy, they know the name. Had to run it up, like my prophecy, financial gain. If you ain't with me, you against me, then get out the way. We spinning on you and your people, dancing on your grave. Choppers like Resident Evil, we dress like blood rain. Rock that American Eagle, hoodie got blood stains. My brother whipping up them kilos, I told him fuck the game. Twin Glock, Max Pay, kickin' shit, Johnny K. Ice selling Johnny Day, beat shit, Luke K. Flaming shit, Luke K. Brand new day, brand new K. Ballin' like 2K. I swear I've been betrayed, one too many times, too many to count. Yeah, all the nights I prayed, solid how I stayed. No matter how they played it, I stood on mine. Whoa, yeah, there's too many to count. Hey, hey, times I've been betrayed. Fuck is that about? Paper plane, Laker game, Novocaine. Headshot Drizzy, man, you know the aim. Niggas praying, I spare them like a bowling lane. Yeah, like Mike, Corleone, sporty flow. I done it all, it's like I'm shorty low. All these fools I'm beefing that I barely know. 45, 44, burnt out.